Hello everyone, I am Bela Patel. I welcome you in my channel Happy to Teach tutorial. Today in this video we will discuss class 7 science paper solution of first periodic test of Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay, so let's see. The time duration of this paper is 1 hour 30 minutes and maximum marks are 40. Okay, first question is fill in the blanks. The first is green plants are called blank because they synthesize their own food. So our answer is green plants are called autotrophs. As you know, an autotroph is an organism that can produce its own food. Okay. The second is the largest gland in the human body is called liver. Okay. A large organ located in the upper abdomen in our body. Okay. The third is the materials which do not allow the heat to pass through them are called insulator. Okay. Insulators oppose electric current or heat. So they are used as a protection from heat or electricity. Examples of insulator are glass, wood, plastic, rubber. Okay. For the changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical change. Okay. Chemical change creates a new product. And you know that chemical changes are irreversible and permanent. Okay. The next is silk is an example of animal fiber. The next question is match the following. Cascata. Cascata is commonly known as amarville. And we know that cascata is an example of parasite. Okay. Parasite means a plant that lives on another plant and get its food from it. It's called parasite. Lemon juice. Lemon juice describes the amount of acid in a substance. Okay. Protein. So amino acid, the organic compound that combine to form protein. Okay. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is sometimes called caustic soda. Okay. And sodium hydroxide is a base. The next is copper. So as you know, copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. Now the next question is write true or false against each statement. So first statement is carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. So the given statement is false because during photosynthesis carbon dioxide is not released. Instead it's produce oxygen. Okay. The second is the gallbladder temporarily stores bile. So this statement is true. Okay. The liver produces bile which is stored temporarily in the gallbladder. Okay. The third is glass is a conductor of heat. So the given statement is false. Okay. Glass is not conductor of heat. Glass is an insulator. Glass does not allow heat to pass through it. So glass is an insulator. Fourth is nitric acid turns red litmus blue. So the given statement is false. Nitric acid turns blue litmus red as it's acidic in nature. Acid turns blue litmus solution to red color but do not have any effect on red litmus solution. Okay. Fifth one is cutting a log of wood into pieces is a physical change. The given statement is true. Okay. Because there is no change in its composition. After cutting it will remain wood. Okay. So the given statement is true. Okay. The next is choose the correct alternative. First one is the plants that traps and feed on insect is called pitcher plant. Okay. Because pitcher shaped leaves in which insects are trapped. Okay. घड़े की आकार की पत्तियां जिनमें कीड़े फंसे रहते हैं इसको पिचर प्लांट्स बोलते हैं. Second is the simplest form of carbohydrate is called glucose. Third one is which of the following does not yield wool? So our answer is woolly dog. Okay. The next is neutralization is a reaction between one acid and one base. Okay. When an acid reacts with the base, it's called neutralization reaction. Okay. The fifth one is the device that is used to measure the coldness or hotness of an object is called thermometer. Okay. Question 5 is define the following terms. First one is physical change. Physical change is a change in which no new substance is formed. Physical changes are temporary and generally reversible. Okay. Or you can write changes in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties. Okay. Second definition of conductor. The materials which allow heat to pass through them easily is called conductor. Okay. Example of conductor are gold, silver, copper, iron, etc. Okay. Third is saprotrophs. organisms which take nutrients from dead and decaying matter. In other words, an organism that feeds on or derives nourishment from decaying non-living organic matter. Okay. Examples are fungus, bacterium like yeast. Okay. Fourth one is natural fiber. The fiber which is obtained from the nature is called natural fiber. Okay. Fifth is indicator. Special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. Okay, it's called indicator. The next question is, answer the following questions. What is photosynthesis? So plants prepare their own food in presence of sunlight. They use carbon dioxide and water as raw minerals, okay, and produce carbohydrate and oxygen. This process is called photosynthesis. The next question is, why calamine solution is applied on the skin when ant bites? So answer of this question is, ants when bites inject an acid into our skin which cause burning sensation. As calamine solution is basic in nature, so it neutralizes the acid and gives relief from pain. Okay. Third question is, when baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with evolution of a gas. Which type of reaction is this? Explain. When baking soda, another name is sodium bicarbonate, is mixed with lemon juice, citric acid, bubbles are formed due to the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Okay. When baking soda mixed with lemon juice, evolution of carbon dioxide gas plus other substances. Okay. So here new substances are formed, okay, and these new substances irreversible and permanent. So this is a chemical change type of reaction, okay. The next question is, write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and nutrition in human being. So one similarity is, both amoeba and human being are heterotrophs because they derive their nutrition from other organism, okay. And one difference is, human beings have a complex digestive system in which food gets digested in separate region of the body, while in amoeba food is digested in a food vector. Okay. The next question is, what are various mode of heat transfer? Explain. So there are three mode of heat transfer. The first one is conduction, second one is convection, and third one is radiation. Okay. So let's see in detail. Conduction is a process of heat transfer from a hotter end to a colder end of an object. For example, in solids, the heat is transferred by the process of conduction. Okay. The second is convection. Convection is a process of heat transfer in liquids and gases from the hotter region to the colder region. For example, while boiling water, the water near the flame gets heated and rises up. The third one is radiation. The transfer of heat by radiation process does not require any medium. For example, the heat energy from the sun to us by radiation process. Okay. Draw life cycle of silk moth. Okay, this is the life cycle of silk moth. Start from here. Eggs on mulberry leaf. Then next, caterpillar, silkworm. The third become cocoon. Fourth, cocoon with developing moth. And finally, female moth. Okay. So this is the life cycle of silk moth. So with this, first periodic test paper solution is over. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe Happy to Teach tutorial channel for more videos and press the bell icon for getting notification of upcoming video. Thank you.